Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x equals 2 to the power of x plus 4. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this can also be written as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this property for 2 to the power of x plus 4. Think of 2 as a, x as m, and 4 as n. So this we could rewrite as 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 4. So x to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 4. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to the power of x. So for our right side here, these two cancel out, and we would just be left with 2 to the power of 4. And for our left side, if we have a to the power of x over b to the power of x, this can also be written as a over b to the power of x. So we have x to the power of x over 2 to the power of x. This can be also written as x over 2 to the power of x. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the power of 1/2 on both sides. Now if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, this is also equal to a to the power of m times n. So 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 1/2, well, what's 4 times 1/2? 2. So this would be 2 to the power of 2. And for our left side here, x times 1/2 is simply just x over 2. So we would have x over 2 to the power of x over 2. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, then this also means that a is equal to b. So think of x over 2 as a and 2 as b, meaning if we have x over 2 to the power of x over 2 equals 2 to the power of 2, this would also mean that x over 2 is equal to 2. Now, as you can see, we have a simple equation. We simply multiply both sides by 2. These two get canceled out, and we would have x is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 is our answer. Welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 5 to the power of x is equal to 7. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the log of both sides. So now we're going to have log 5 to the power of x is equal to log 7. So now an important property of logarithms is, let's say we have log a to the power of b. The power property of logarithms states that we can actually move this exponent here, b, into the front of the log, meaning this would equal b log a. So right here we have log 5 to the power of x, and we can actually move our x here into the front of the logarithm. So now this would be equal to x times log 5. And this is equal to log 7. Now, I actually want to isolate x because that's the thing we want to find the value of. So I'm going to divide by log 5 on both sides to get rid of the log on this side and to move it to the right side. So now for our left-hand side, these two would cancel out. So we would have x is equal to log 7 is equal to 0.845 approximately. And we're dividing this by log 5, which is approximately equal to 0.699. So now the answer for this, x would approximately equal 1.209. So this is our answer.